Timothee Chalamet. Hey Timothy, don't be sad since you lost the Oscar. Your hair still looks good. Hello, this is Dr. Z. I am a hair transplant surgeon in Turkey. Today, we will be talking about the actors' hairstyles on the Oscars red carpet. Paul Mescal. Hey gladiator, stop fighting your hair loss. Don't hide your hairline receding.
Second one, Chris Evans. Also, there's a rumor about he had hair transplant. I think, especially when I checked the frontal area on the corners, I think maybe he had a touch-up like unshaven DHI implantation, but his hairline looks great, and who did it? He did a great job.
The next celebrity is Elordi. He's one of those that kind of covers his hairline with the bushy hair, so I can't really tell if he has some receding hairline. Probably yes, but I need more data.
Absolutely, when we are talking about the hair, we should talk about Leonardo Dicaprio because he had a very specific hairline. I think it suits his face and his hairline looks great. Sometimes man's in the mature, he can have some receding on the corners. It is very normal thing and I think it suits his face and he looks great.
The next celebrity is Plemons. Plemons has light hair, like a very beautiful color of yellow. I think he doesn't have any part of hair loss. His hairline is pretty long and I think he still has his teenage hairline level. Even he is in a good shape according to his age.
And yes, Penn, I think he's the best, but he didn't come to Oscar.